Hey, it's Heidi Hillman, and I wanted to show you a couple of different types of Christmas tree ornaments I've been working on today. So, my goal this year has been to use as much of my scrap or just materials that I already have on hand, and that's what both of these projects are. So, I had all this scrap. I have a whole bag here full of felt pieces that I used for other projects. And so I just went through and cut circles out of them, just freehand, like this. Small circles. And then I trim around to make sure they're a little more circular. So I just cut all sorts of colors and used this copper diamond. I'm not exactly sure how to say that. This really pretty metallic thread, and I just made X's inside the circles. So this will be the front, this will be the back. I have some brown for the trunk that I am experimenting how I want to attach that. I have tried using my felting needle a little bit to attach that on. I'm still trying to decide if that's how I want to do it or if I'll just hand stitch it on each one. But so that is the first version. I am really happy with how those turned out. I think it's really fun to make something beautiful from this bag of scraps. Obviously, the green for the trees wasn't in that bag, but I just cut out the triangles and then stitched the circles on. I found that I like having at least 3 colors. This is pretty, but doesn't have quite enough contrast for my eye. I prefer having at least 3 different colors on there. And then the other version I've done, I think this is actually my favorite one right there. But the other version I've done is with this same thread. I have this in gold, copper, and silver. And so I just went on the felt and stitched some little stars with those. And then I went back through and added beads. So this one has copper thread and gold beads. So that'll be the front, and the back will be plain, and it'll have the little trunk as well. So here are some other versions. This is all gold thread, and 2 different types of gold beads. This is 2 gold as well. It's all one kind of gold bead and 1 color of thread. And then this is one of my favorites. It's silver thread and then 2 colors of blue beads. So the trickiest part with the beads is you just need to make sure that your needle eye is thin enough that it can go through the beads. So that's where I am so far. The rest of today, I'm planning to work on finishing some beading. I might do a couple more of this type. And then I'll do blanket stitch all around the outside and stuff these with batting polyfill. So I will show you where I'm at once I'm done with that step.